look at the firing at Google, or look at the firing, unfortunately, that's happening at leading unicorns in India. These folks knew about this sector really well, yet they couldn't handle the unfortunate scenario because they were not really able to cope up with the horizontal skills that we're talking about. When we say we need innovation mechanism, we need to question, why do we need innovation? There was a study by BCG, World Economic Forum, and LinkedIn as well about the future 2030 skills. If we look at those skills, they've largely focused on horizontal skills such as communication, AI, cloud computing, which are sector agnostic. And even if we were to back that with evidence, like look at the firing at Google, or look at the firing, unfortunately, that's happening at leading unicorns in India, these folks knew about this sector really well, yet they couldn't handle the unfortunate scenario because they were not really able to cope up with the horizontal skills that we're talking about. So my answer is going to be extremely opinionated about focusing on the horizontals rather than being limited towards vertical. With that, I have a very small anecdote to share, which is about skill. So we were working on enhancing the digital readiness of a lot of government folks in Government of India. We were helping people move over from paper-based writing and asking them to move to e-files. And for the longest period of time, we met senior secretaries to a lot of clerks who were having a lot of difficulty moving from paper-based files to e-office. Largely what we are trying to say when it comes to skill, a lot of people do not focus on a change of mindset and a change of culture. So we might be able to roll out courses, we might be able to bring out university, but how do we slowly build that culture of change and mindset is going to be important, especially for inclusive learning. Because if there is going to be AI, a larger proportion of people might be unemployed, then we need to ask, how are they going to be holding their job? As much as innovation is a buzzword, very rarely people understand what is really an innovation. If we go back in the history and look at, let's say, the golden era of physics, it happened by Einstein, Heisenberg, but it also happened at the intersection of two world wars. Nation states were competing with each other and there was a heavy demand for innovation. So when we say we need innovation mechanism, we need to question, why do we need innovation? So for example, in a world where Gen AI or ChatGPT has become a buzzword, and we also live in a population of 1.3 billion, we really need to question, is AI really the need for us? Would it lead to more adversity than opportunity? Or there may be certain use cases of AI for us as well. We define what is the need of innovation rather than focus on finding the solution before defining the need for it.
Ms. Shadakshi Sharma, co-founder and co-CEO, Global Governance Initiative and Global Tech Initiative.